Today, we're diving into the simple process of logging out of Twitter or X account. So, whether you're switching to another Twitter or X account or just need a break, here's how to do it in a few quick steps. First things first, open your app and head to the home page. Now, locate your profile picture at the top left corner and give it a tap. This will bring up the side menu. Next, expand the Settings and Support option. Then click on Settings and Privacy. You'll find the Your Account option right at the top of the settings page. Tap on it. Now, you'll see your account information. But what we're interested in is the Logout button, usually found at the bottom of the page. Give that button a tap, confirm your decision when prompted, and done. You're logged out of your Twitter or X account. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Catch you in the next video.